Hey, what's good, guys? I'm here at another abandoned railroad crossing on the CN Cayuga sub. It's been 1 year since the last train went through here, and I'm at mile 105.65. And I noticed that the signals are backwards here, so they're basically like the British style, like they think the cars are going the other way and driving on the other side of the road. But I'm just going to give you an education as to why they are pointed like this. So as you can see, there's a big turnoff right here on this road, and the ding-dings are flashing. The cars are not going to see them right away, and they won't have time to stop. So they decided to put this signal right here and have the lights really on an angle pointing over there, so that the car can kind of see the ding-ding, and then they have time to slow down and stop, and then there's the ding-ding here. But yeah, so that's why these cars are, sorry, the signals are on the other side of the road. And there's another railroad crossing over there, and I believe they both power on the same relay case, because I don't see one for specifically this crossing. And I think the bell is a W.C. Hayes bell. So yeah, anyways, here's the other crossing. I think the bell might be the same one. So I'm just gonna check the relay case out. A deactivation notice, so it shows that the crossing is no longer functioning. And I think this is where they would test the signals, and it says CN mile 105.72, Cayuga sub, Springfield, Glencoe. And this crossing has a similar style. I think these lights are older than the one on the other post. These are really old lights here. I don't even know it. I can't see the brand. But comment below what you guys think they are. Just gotta get to the other signal. Well, I got some twigs stuck in my shoelaces. That ballast looks pretty new. Anyways, oh yeah, that bell's got a lock on it, and it looks like the other lights are the same ones. It's hard to tell what brand they are, but this is a WRRS bell. Maybe the lights might be a WRRS as well, but who knows? Anyways, these lights were made in the USA, and the crossbuck looks pretty new. And yeah, so this is a really funny configuration of an abandoned railroad crossing. So if you guys like these videos, comment down below. If you guys would like to see more videos, let me know. And other than that, just leave a like and subscribe. Peace.